Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert PDF file to Word file using Python. So let's get started. Actually, it is super easy. Let me just tell you the idea of the script. First, we get the path of the current working directory and traverse each file. If the suffix isn't PDF, If the suffix of the file isn't PDF, we jump out of this loop and then we continue. If that is a PDF file, we are gonna call the converter function from the PDF to docs package. And here, we can specify the suffix of the generated Word file to doc or docs. Okay, that's all. Let's look at how this works. First, we open the folder. There are two PDF files. Then it is the command prompt. For me, it is the anaconda prompt. We enter the folder and run the Python code. Okay, job done. Okay, that's all for today. If you think it really helps, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.